Hi all, I'm gonna show you how to clean in case of dust inside of the push pin. So we are making it like if you were drilling, or outside if you are backcountry for big drillings, for rock falls protections, or some concrete drillings, or anything else with a lot of dust. So some dust can come in. A normal one is 6. A normal one is 6. More than 6, okay, because it goes through the mobile plate. But in case of less than 6, it can be dangerous. So from here, from this point, we already have. It's not enough. Oh, it's just so it would have to be cleaned, but we're gonna do it more. A lot too small to go through the mobile plate, so it's not okay. You can see it's like blocked here, so it can be dangerous because no blocking the mobile plate. So
can you show how the mobile plate closes?
Yes, this one.
Okay.
So it can be difficult to close, and it can be not enough, you know, it doesn't go through the mobile plate, so it's not a good way. It's too dirty, so we have to clean it. If it's enough dry, you can try taking it upside down and trying to get off the dust. The height maybe better. Yes, it's better, but not enough. So we have to go further. As we can do it by dry, it's not enough. We have to go underwater. Underwater, you can put as much water as you want. You can put high pressure. Anything else, all is enough strong to be waterproof. Is enough waterproof. So when you clean it, you always have to make move the spring and the push pin inside, and you can see some water is going out there at the bottom. So we have some issue. No, it's not an issue, it's an exit, water exit at the bottom. We're gonna show you how it's set up to understand why. So you put water in and you get water off. Out. And that's the way you can. So now we have cleaned it underwater, and .26, so it's okay. We can now use it again and close and open the mobile plate. So now we're going to show you how it's made. Oh, the spring. Stay here. So here is a push pin. We put it in. It has some shoulders and also shoulders inside, so it stops. The spring is inside, and the spring has like a stop here, and you can see this stop has a small hole. It's not a crack, it's a hole, to allow water to come out, water or dust to come out. When it's implemented, when it's set up, you can see here water coming out from the bottom. You always have to check this height. Be sure it's more than 6 millimeters. Otherwise, you are not sure to close correctly your mobile plate.